Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC in the overall stock market. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. See exactly what's going on, how to believe things will play out going into today, and what we got to look forward to. So as we can see, guys, we know stock futures fall to start August trading, with market coming off of best month since 2020. We know on last week we had 3 consecutive days. Our main stocks that we're looking at didn't, do phenomenally well, especially AMC. It's basically consolidating, came back a bit from that $17, $18 territory, came down to that high $13, $14 range, guys, consolidating there before that next leg up, that push back up. So as we know, our main chicken wing didn't do as good with the rest of the overall market, but we had a lot of big dog companies, a lot of great companies that did exceedingly well on last week. I told you guys, I've been calling it for a while, and especially on last week, that a bullish market is about to happen within this bearish market. It's definitely going to be short-lived. So the way I'm playing it, I always come up with your own plan and do what you think is best. But the way I'm playing it is loading up now while everything is dirt cheap, but it will become cheaper in the future, I believe. But why it's still cheap, a lot of short-term money, day traders, short-term investors, millionaires, billionaires is going to be loading up because they know and see exactly what I see and probably feeling what I'm feeling, that the market is about to shoot up, skyrocket, as well as assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum will shoot up for a short period of time, make an aggressive move, and then come right back down and create new lows. So the way you take advantage and capitalize off this and get that portfolio boosted back up is load up now, sell near the peak, and then rinse and repeat, guys. So that's the way I would play it. That's how I see things playing out. So anyways, guys, stock futures fell following the market's best month since 2020 as investors look ahead to another week of key earnings reports and economic data. The Dow Jones futures fell by 151 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures shed 0.4%. The Nasdaq 100 futures dipped by 0.4%. So on Friday, all major indexes gained, posting winning weeks and capping off the best month of the year so far, and then some. The Dow gained 6.7% in July, while the S&P added 9.1%. The Nasdaq rose 12.4% as investors rush into the tech stocks, beating up the most during this bear market. So guys, as we see exactly what's going on, we know tech stocks, they still talking down and talking bad about them, but it's a golden opportunity. That's exactly what they want to do. They want to put out negative news. They want to put out bad vibes, bad energy, bad resources to make you feel as if what you're doing with your money is not the best ideal, and making you think it's not the best time to invest. Guys, it definitely is. Like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, I do believe things will get cheaper than the cheapest that we seen it, but before it do, it's a lot of money to be made, and then worry about that once we make this next move from the jump. So you already know, guys. And also we got a big economic problem coming up. A lot of people is going to be skeptical of their own business due to the fact of looking at someone else's business. Like Walmart last week had cut its profit outlook for a second quarter, and they basically cutting their expectations on what they expecting to earn. Walmart is one of those essential companies and businesses during hard times like this that people is still going to need and be spending a lot of money at. And whenever they see things getting rocky, whenever a company like Walmart sitting on inventory, got too much money tied up in things that they no longer need now that people are no longer buying, that's making everybody else more nervous and skeptical because they know Walmart's the big dog, the big boy that always, recession proof almost. So that being said, it's going to have a lot of these major companies on ice, guys. So you already know it's a lot to come, and this is the beginning of all of it. But best believe the market isn't just going to operate how you expect to operate, meaning just because everything's bad and it look badder, and which it is, like thinking, oh, the market is about to come down extra harder. Nah, you could see the exact opposite, a crazy spike to the upside for maybe even an extended period of time, longer than people expecting, and make you think that, oh, this is the real reversal that's happening. This ain't going back down. Whoever waiting for it to come back down ain't gonna be able to, get it for these cheap prices. That's what people is going to be expecting, how hard the market is going to run and how long of an extended period of time they might keep it up. just to mess with you, and then bring it right back down, putting all the information out there about how bad things is and how bad it is getting. So you already know, man, what to do, guys. I love you guys. We got AMC sitting at what, $14, and we didn't really update on AMC. We got AMC sitting at $14.42 this morning. Snapchat sitting at $9.85. Carvana at $29.20. One of the one of the only major ones that I'm got on my watch list that's still in the green. Upstart sitting at 24. GameStop at 33. So guys, I am expecting for the market to have a dip, a little morning panic, and then a quick reversal, guys. Sending stocks going up today, guys. So you definitely want to be getting in while it's still cheap and low, because this week should be a great week. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.